This job is very easy. Who are you? Or what thing? Is this...
The question is not how I am, but how I got here.
So who brought you here?
Before I was banished, I created this place in time.
And you created this place.
Yeah, that's how it was before your friend and your sister got me here thanks to the
My
helmet.
sister, but
You
like...
will see the helmet that brought you here. It's capable of manipulating time by putting it on. You can manipulate your timeline.
So you're a kind of dimensional locksmith?
I'm a witness to your timeline, Coco.
So what did I do wrong to be here?
This place, it's a pocket universe adapted from the original universe.
I say beyond your timeline and say how your father was preparing.
Kidnap your friend and your sister in order to steal their
How
helmets.
my father died.
Simple, put your sister and Marco in their clothes and the fucking sissy killer your dad and their band. And then he kills your sister. While you read about
Marco, but he's my friend. How could he get into this? Yea, he is my friend like... What do you say?
if you let me continue it, I remembered that after 18 years later, your sister only cared about life of that bastard. Will you wear just his shadow? He could not prevent your sister tragic fate. This event made you put on that helmet, perhaps to prevent the death of your relatives. 2 lives in exchange for 1 consequence. A fate to universe trash connects to me.
Eha, I can't believe that bastard shit my life. What can I do here to get out of here?
It's a shame. Your sister was about to become a goddess.
So how can I get out of here? Seriously, this is
If
insane.
you